So here we are at the Elk Creek Campground in Grand Lake, Colorado with the Sondors Fold X's. Rode them quite a bit yesterday and charging them up right now. Getting ready for another day. We're going to ride into Grand Lake and run around the lake and check out some stuff, maybe have some lunch. But I'm charging them up right now off the sun. My RV is totally 100% solar powered. I have 5 solar panels on it, 1500 watts of solar. And I have a 3000 watt inverter right there. That's giving me my 115 volts, and I got both bike chargers charged into it. And probably take maybe an hour to charge them back up again. I didn't tap them out all the way yesterday, but getting them ready to go. And we're in Elk Creek Campground here. Highly recommend it. Rebecca and Donald do a nice job. If you're ever in this area near Rocky Mountain National Park, we're right at the entrance. Check them out. And I got some footage of moose in the campground right next to us. There's our camper. And there's the moose.
Be very, very quiet.
Here's one of my solar panels, one of the 5 that's on the RV. It's in full sun right now, and literally all the voltage and amps coming from the solar panels up above and on the back. We're going in and charging my lithium iron phosphate batteries up, and then also that's what's charging the bicycles now, my e-bikes. So here we are coming into Grand Lake, Colorado on our Sondors Fold X bikes, and we'll shoot some video in town. This is a Monday, so hopefully it's not going to be that busy, but things are definitely picking up after the COVID thing happened, March-April time frame. Pretty busy today in town. And then we'll make a right on the Garfield Street. There's the park and the library over there to my left. And we'll go ahead and make a right and go down by the lake. There's my wife's Sondors Fold X in front of me here. And then we have the Solas lights on it for the tail light flashing, and the headlight, which is extremely bright. Try to get around this garbage truck. Okay, follow me. Let's go down into the marina. Make a right down in here. And this is the Grand Lake Marina. Hello. video. Which is ancient. Probably built in the 20s. Boats inside. Wave at the camera.
Hi, it's beautiful here.
All masked up, sunglasses, everything. Here's some other electric bikes. EO Trick, they must be rentals. Never heard of these brands before. They look like they're fun.
So what, so there's a lot of companies. This one particular is your brand of choice.
Yeah, this is Sonders. It was a crowdfunding project like 5 years ago.
I see.
It sounds like a commercial.
No, I get
But,
it. Yeah.
But anyway, it was Storm Sonders started the company, and he wanted to make an affordable bike. So he made like a 26-inch bike originally,
Okay.
and then he came out with later models. This has been out for maybe 2.5 years.
Sure.
So this
Okay.
is a what they call a 20-inch fat tire bike, and it's got 20-inch diameter. So it looks like a kid's bike.
Sure.
This thing has got amazing power. 500-watt motor. It's got basically batteries that would be in a Tesla inside it, Panasonic batteries that you get probably 60-70 miles out of it if you're low
6
pedaling.
or 7 miles,
Yeah,
is it? On one charge?
yeah. If you're pedaling on a low assist level, if you turn your assist level up, you want more energy and less pedaling, then range goes down. So it just kind of varies. But,
Sure.
But yeah, I had this one about 1.5 years ago, and then I got her that one. And we have a camper with a truck, so we just slide them up into the back, and the handlebars tilt over. And then there's a hinge in the bottom here. You undo this lever and it folds in half so you can throw it in the trunk of the car.
That's fantastic. Retailer for these?
You just buy them online.
Okay.
And they just ship them to your house. And right now these are going for like $1,100 to your house.
To your house?
Yeah.
Wow.
And then you could adjust seat up and down. But anyway, watch my YouTubes on it.
300
And,
subscribers? Those are really
pardon?
cool. 300 subscribers?
Am I at 300 now?
Well, I just subscribed.
All right, guys.
Just
Get
did.
him?
I can't subscribe.
And I got hot rods, I got solar.
And we all
Yeah,
just
that's
subscribe.
me right there. I'm a celebrity, huh? Yeah, right. 300 subscribers, nothing.
That's fantastic.
I got a guy that watches raccoons every night. He feeds raccoons every night on his porch, like 10 o'clock. He
Right.
feeds them hot dogs. And he's got 45,000 subscribers.
What?
You know,
man.
yeah, it's crazy. So, you know,
Oh, yeah.
so,
Well, see, I'm in tech as well.
yeah.
My entire adult career, the last 21 years, I've been in IT. So now I'm just a has-been, I guess, a director of IT. So I just talk to people.
Yeah, I did computerized security systems for
Sure.
government facilities and stuff
Okay,
for
yeah,
like
yeah,
30
yeah.
years, you know, and
Here's the battery here.
Oh, I thought the battery was up here in the chassis. It's not
It
in
is.
the frame.
yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
it's a-
thought it was on
No.
mine is.
Yours
Never
is.
mind.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sure. Yeah, wow.
So what's your inseam, like 20-something inches? You're shorty like me.
29, yeah.
Here, come here, take it for a spin.
Exactly like him.
Seriously, you mind?
Okay,
Oh, yeah,
so what
sure.
you got is the assist levels.
Okay.
So you're 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 1. I'll leave it on a 2.
Okay.
And then once you get going, you know, it's a shifter, just like a ratchet shifter.
You bet.
So now I'm in, was at 4, so you're good there.
Sure.
And then once you're out, if you want to bump the throttle, just bump it easy.
You bet.
And
bet.
yeah, go ahead and take it around the parking
So
lot.
it's already set at a predetermined throttle rate right now. So once I actually,
Well, it's going to give you full throttle. When you push this down, it's full throttle,
so what's
full energy.
4? Is that high or is that
This
low?
is a gear shifter, just
right,
like a
what's
regular
number
bicycle.
4 right here?
It's kind of in the middle.
Understand. It's
Yeah, it's a regular
it's not
bicycle.
the speed assist. It's the
Yeah, other
this
than
is
the
speed
motor and the
direct right
hub.
here.
This has a hub motor, and some of them have center drive motors.
Certainly. Yeah,
But the
no, I
motors here.
appreciate it.
But other than
Okay.
that, it's a regular bicycle.
Perfect. Yeah.
But
no.
yeah, go
Yeah.
buzz it around the parking lot.
Absolutely.
Since you rode motorcycles.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, bump the throttle. There he goes on my bike. And they make kids versions of these things too here, by the way.
I want one of these, Mom.
With a smile on his face.
That
It's got some kick, huh?
that is fantastic.
Dad,
That is an amazing ride.
It's not my Goldwing, it's not my Harley.
Oh
but,
no, it doesn't have to be. It's
Yep.
and
We'll shut the motor off here.
for $1,200, it's
And
a
you
steal.
can spend, there's guys spending, you know, 6,000-7,000 for these things, but
Certainly.
But yeah,
Sonders.
got any other questions on it?
Yeah, so factory warranties, I'm assuming it's 30
Yeah, it's a
days,
year.
60 days. Is it a year?
Year.
Just on
But,
parts and
but there's hardly anything, I mean, when you think about it, it's just a hub motor and, you know, it's not a whole lot to go wrong with it.
exactly. It's a
But you have to
bicycle.
maintain the chain, just like a motorcycle. And I did one of my YouTubes too on how to maintain the chain and,
so it's 1,300.
oh, something like that, yeah. And then the tire pressure, this is only running 20 pounds.
Is that right?
But then if I want to go on the beach in the sand, I take them down to maybe 10 pounds.
Okay.
And then I'm buzzing around the beach. We're from Denver.
Sure.
So I
Yeah.
go to the reservoirs, sandy beach.
Yeah, we're from the geographical center of the contiguous 48 states.
Which is Kansas.
Smith Center, Kansas.
There you go.
Lebanon, Kansas.
Well, we're
Have you heard of
almost the
this?
center of U.S. right here, but
Yes,
you're
sir.
you're really the center. So